Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew with sachet tomatoes using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have about 1 pound of stew meat and your favorite vegetables. Next, chop your vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Then, brown the stew meat in a large pot over medium-high heat until it's nicely seared on all sides. Now, let's build some incredible flavor. After removing the brown meat, add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the pot, sautéing them until they're tender. Next, stir in 1 sachet of rich tomato paste, cooking it for about 1 minute to deepen its flavor. Then, pour in 1 cup of beef broth to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. It's time to bring everything together for that perfect stew. Return your browned meat to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in about 3 cups of beef broth, ensuring the ingredients are mostly covered, and add your favorite herbs like bay leaves or thyme. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for approximately 2 hours or until the meat is wonderfully tender. Your amazing stew is almost ready. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your preference. For a burst of freshness, stir in some chopped fresh parsley or chives right before you dish it out. Serve your hearty, flavorful stew hot, perhaps with some crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.